Good afternoon. Welcome back to our Watson Farmstead. Today, by request, I am making a gazillion and a half brownies, the brownie bites that I make. Shelby would like, about a ton, and Ava would like another ton of them. So let's keep going on them. In this bowl, I have the equivalent of 6 boxes of brownie mix. In this bowl, I have the equivalent of 3 boxes of chocolate pudding mix. And what I'm going to do, in the pudding mix, the 6 cups of milk, I'm going to do 4 cups of milk and 2 cups heavy cream because it just makes it fluffier. It's our 4 cups. And don't tell the pigs that I'm using their milk. Shh. Tim just said, "Aw," from the other room. They are no longer babies. They don't even need milk. I just spoil them and give them milk. All right. And as you notice, once again, I just don't use an electric mixer. I don't know why I don't like them. They're noisy. And whatever they can do, I can do by hand. So. Ooh, good thing I grabbed another one. There was only a cup in there. The best heavy cream ever from Kroger. I love it. I'm going to try the best I can to do the dishes as I go, because this kitchen was trashed. And, poor Tim, he has to do all the dishes. So, try to make his life a little easier today. All right, there's the pudding mix. In here, we need 2¼ cups water. You need 2 2/3 cup oil. That's a lot of oil. Good for my hands, though. And 10 eggs. 11 eggs, sorry. And lower. All right. And there is our 11 eggs. And we'll use our Amish dough whisk to mix this up. Get this combined, and then we will add the pudding, fold the pudding into it. Okay. Stay. All right. This is going to give my brownies a cakey feel. And I have to try to remember that all these clumps are not going to come out because there's chocolate chips in here. All right. Here is the bowl. Ooh, heavy. Here we go. Oh, crab. Bowly. So that one's going to stick. That's why I said, oh, craboli. I put the first one in and forgot I hadn't sprayed them. Oh, man. It was. I need two hands. I needed both of mine, but I was holding the scooper because it's covered in the thingy mix brownie. I don't know if I have to spray the silicone ones, but I'm going to. Alright, enough. I'll sit here and OCD this thing all day and make sure that they're just even. Don't need to do that. Alright, let's pull this out. Yum. And here is our brownie bites. That will do it for me today. I want to thank you for joining in today and hope you got to poke some fun at us. Anyway, okay, bye.